Alright, so we are still talking about lists. But this time, we are going to talk about removing elements from lists. We have talked about adding elements. Now I want to talk about removing. So we have two methods. One of them is called remove. We have also pop. And we have a delete all, which is called clear. What is the difference? Well, remove is very simple. You have item 1, 2, and 3, and you just want to remove one of them by name. So you would say list dot remove, and then you would specify what do you want to remove. Let's say I want to remove number 2. Now this will be deleted. Okay, this is for remove. Now there is also pop. If you say just l.pop, pop is going to remove this item, the last item, from the list. Remember, append added an item to the end. Okay, but pop is going to remove an item from the end. All right. Now finally we have clear. If I hit l.clear, this will remove the whole content from my list. All right, let's code this. So let's say we have this same shopping cart, and let's say that the user has added an item by mistake and he wants maybe to change it, wants to remove it forever, but we need a mechanism in order to do that. So what would you do? Let's say that this is your shopping cart, you already inserted all the items. You would do something like that. You would say shopping cart dot remove. Let's say we don't want the almonds anymore, so almonds. Then let's print the shopping cart. Hit on run. You will see that we have removed the almonds. That's good. Now you need to be careful. If an element does not exist or there is a problem in the capitalization of the letters, you will have errors. So I changed the A from capital to small. Now if I run this, I will get an error because it says list x remove x is not in the list, meaning that the element here does not exist in my list. Okay, just be careful about that. I just want to remove the last item I have inserted. So maybe I wrote an item by mistake, I have a typo, for any reason. Let's say I just want to remove the last item. I would just say shopping cart pop. Now if I print this, you will see that it removed only the last item, which is almonds. That's good. Now we know how to remove the last element, and we know how to remove by name. Okay. So lastly, let's say that I want to clear all my shopping cart and I don't want it anymore. I want to start over. I would say shopping cart dot clear. Now if I run this, you'll see that my list is empty right now. All right, so we have covered this as well.